why? Why the Minecraft? Well, the Minecraft TMC, the Minecraft 1. The Minecraft 1 and 2 and 3 and the Minecraft 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Yes, it's a series and you may subscribe to it. Why should you want to hear about the Minecraft? Because we are living among people. As much as we are living among people, then there are some methods of conduct. Because we are people, and then we're gonna have to transact. You cannot be devoid of transaction. Transaction means with the other person. You're gonna have to give something and take something. That's called transaction. You're gonna have a listener to a speaker, then there is a transaction. There is a learner and a trainer, so there is transaction. How can you be devoid of transaction? So you're going to have to learn about transaction. You're going to have to learn about collaboration. Because we are in a society, we're going to have to collaborate with each other. You cannot be devoid of collaboration or transaction. And one must have a fine product. If you do not have a product or a service that another person has utility, your product has to be refined. It has to be extremely high quality. Only then another person will find the utility of your product. Therefore, you can give your product to somebody else and somebody else can be persuaded by you. So persuasion, ability to persuade other people, skills to persuade other people about your product is an essential part of a transaction. So you have transaction, you have collaboration, you have a product that you must manufacture or construct or a service that you have. And number 4 is that you have to develop the product in such a manner that there's no competition. Well, that's another thing. There's a competition. There's competitor all the time. So is your product better than the other competitor of the same product that's selling it in the market? Now see, you got market. If you are not visible in the market, how will you sell your product? So you must be visible in the market. You must have the skills to persuade a consumer about your product. And you must be able to collaborate with a group of people, a network of people, an association that you have, a lot of friends that you have, well-wishers of yours, a group. So these are essential part of to be able to conduct yourself in living. So you have transaction, collaboration, market, persuading your consumer about the quality of your product, you having excellent product, and then after all this you're going to have to learn to generate revenue, recover revenue from your sales, proceeds of your sales, generate revenue. If you have no skill of recovering revenue, you will for all the time be simply losing. And then you have to protect your existing resources. You need to know how to fortify from other people snatching away your comforts and conveniences. You have to protect your resources. And then finally you have to be able to combat when a competitor is a threat to you, maybe from your neighborhood, maybe over-ambitious people, in whichever way, you got to be a combatant. You cannot be avoiding to combat. Well, at least the skills you must have. There is no other way. So I hereby introduce you to the Minecraft 1 with the following words: transaction, collaboration, development of a product of high quality, utility that the product will give to other people, persuading the other people that your product is of utility to them, then visibility in the market, generating revenue and recovering revenue of the proceed of sale, and then competitiveness and combat. You cannot avoid any one of this. Now the objective is to be able to indulge in all these with tranquility and harmony in your mind. With serenity, tranquility and harmony. Well, that is a skill for which you need to subscribe to further of the Minecraft. Enjoy the Minecraft 1 and then look forward to the Minecraft 2 soon.